Yembomo! Yembomo! Yes! Yes! Yeah! Brian Mbeumo! Oh my God! Manchester United!
Boy, Mbeumo! There you go! Manchester United scores!
Prime Manchester United.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Mbeumo! Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! On the counter! On the counter, boys! On the counter! Let's go! Let's go, boys! Yes!
चल ब्रूनो काउंटर चल ब्रूनो चल माद को दे माद एम्बुमू फिनिश यस 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 व्हाट अ गोल मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड लेट्स गो
भाग भाग चार है अभी गोल नहीं मारा तो इसको मारेंगे भाई
गोल 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 1-0
come on
deserved goal
eat shit counter on a corner or us for a change counter on a corner for us for a change
ole ball back
काउंटर भाई
मारेंगे अब।
काउंटर आ गया
काउंटर
आ गया भाई काउंटर
आ गया। बोला ना काउंटर आएगा। मैं बोला काउंटर आएगा। मैं बोला काउंटर आएगा। आई हैव टोल्ड दिस काउंटर आएगा। आई हैव सेड काउंटर आएगा।
कौन कह रहा था एम्ब्यूमो नहीं होना चाहिए
Nice. 3 versus 2, 4 versus 2. Kodke Ahmad. Adi. Yembomo! Yes! Yeah! Yemboomon! Yes! Come on, United! Glory, Man United! Come on! We deserve to win this match, man. We deserve to win this match.
काम करके देखा भाग जा 3 versus 2 4 versus 2 अमाद दियालो को Mbeumo nil for Manchester United मेरे भाई it's a 4 versus 2 था भाई Brian Mbeumo scored 1-0 for Manchester United मेरे भाई let's go 4 versus 2 हो गया ये तो मिस नहीं करना चाहिए था लेट्स गो
भाई लेफ्ट में निकला डोर को निकला लेफ्ट में अबे डोर को निकला राइट में खा लिया मदर राइट में अरे बोलो पास This is not offside. Come on, boy. Mbeumo. Cut off, boy. Good goal. Come on. Mbeumo is back from African Cup of Nations.
Not a good free kick and United are breaking. It's a 3v1. And Mbeumo scores. That's it. Mbeumo scores. What a worse free kick that was. An absolutely worse free kick. It's an absolutely worse free kick.
खुल गए 4 on 2 Mbeumo गोल भाई खुल गए थे Oh, what a pathetic way to concede भाई but they deserved it भाई ये क्या किया यार किसने लूज किया I think it was Cherki who lost the ball in the midfield ना
ओ निकल गया Bruno Fernandes Brian Mbeumo
Oh my God! Manchester United! Oh my God, भाई wow Manchester United.
Man United can bury the game here. They can bury the game here. 3v4 hai. Look at Bruno Fernandes to Mbeumo. Has to bury Mbeumo. There you go. Manchester United scores. Boys up! No more stalemates! Manchester United get their deserving goal! Bryan Mbeumo!
भाई यश मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड काउंटर कर रही है
गोले गोले गोले
एम्बोमो के golazo al Manchester rojo de Manchester chat what a goal what a counter attack this is prime Manchester United you know what I mean chat prime Manchester United prime Manchester United
Good work by Cunha. That's a good ball. Dorgu. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Cunha. Matthias Cunha. Patrick Dorgu with the goal. Yeah, let's go. What a goal, bhai. Yes.
कुनिया कीप द बॉल भाई कोई फालतू की बकचोदी नहीं डोरगू यस डोरगू स्कोर्ड डोरगू व्हाट अ गोल डोरगू व्हाट अ क्रॉस बाय कुनिया एंड व्हाट अ रन बाय डोरगू डीएनए
Dorgu.
What was I saying? Dorgesh.
Goal, 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 goal.
The hero.
Dorgesh.
Oh my
Dorgesh,
God.
Dorgesh.
Dorgesh. Arsenal, congratulations. We won Arsenal. The
For winning
title.
the league, Arsenal.
Bye. Dorgutino, Dokino बोले थे Dokutino, Dorginino.
Cunha Cunha total for Manchester United Cunha कैसी Dorgu scored 2-0 for Manchester Cunha भाई Matheus Cunha it's Matheus Cunha मेरे भाई let's go डोगू ने मार दिया गोल मौका मिलेगा खुले पे रहे भाई डिफेंस खुला पड़ा है भैया मैं बहुत दिनों बाद एक गंदा मैन सिटी का टीम देख रहा हूँ भाई डिफेंस ओपन है डिफेंस
एक और आएगा इट इज कमिंग
कुनिया
क्रॉस We predicted this live again, Dhruv. We did this. Why? We did this tonight. What a goal! This
What
is
did I tell you?
United.
Yes! Dorgu, what a pass, Cunha! What a pass! What a goal! We deserve to win this match. We deserve to win this derby. Manchester is red. Yes! Excellent play. Cunha fresh legs. ആരോട് പറഞ്ഞു Cunha fresh legs. അതാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ സംഭവിച്ചത്. We deserve to win this match. We deserve to win this match by 5 goals, 6 goals.
अबे वो कौन था?
I think it was
Lionel Dorgessi, come on boy, let's go.
completely slept.
भाई साहब, let's go. Manchester United giving me happiness. ऐसा भी होता है भाई, क्या बात है यार. Let's go boys.
And it's 2-0. Patrick Dorgu scores. It's 2-0. It's 2-0. It's over. The game's over. It's 2-0. Thank you, Pep. It's 2-0. One of the worst performances under Pep Guardiola. That is absolutely worse.
लो भाई खत्म we're done and dusted and thrown back to the trenches. What a goal by Dorgu, by the way. What a goal, and thoroughly deserved भाई. What a goal.
Cunha निकल गया.
Oh my god Dorgu oh my god भाई United man insane भाई 2-0 to Manchester United 2-0 to Manchester United oh my god
Cunha का क्रॉस है. Dorgu! भाई! Boy, that's a second goal. Boy, sub off the bench, Cunha. पैट्रिक डोरगू का दूसरा गोल फॉर मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड. भाई ये क्या हो रहा है? क्या हो रहा है? गेम ओवर है. गेम डन डस्टेड है भाई मेरे ओपिनियन में. यूनाइटेड कैन नॉट lose this. They cannot afford to lose this. Bhai, United is cooking.
Oh my God, Chonky! United scored 2 goals. Oh my goodness gracious me, Holy Mother of Jesus Nazareth! Man City is gone.
Oh, they have just lost the Premier League title. They have lost Primera League.
They're not winning it. They're not winning it. Guardiola, sit down Old Trafford पे. Sit
अगर
down, Michael
तूने
Carrick is
अगर
on the wheel.
ह्यूमिलिएट कर दिया भाई सिटी को.
Michael Carrick is on the wheel.
Dorgu, they had Dorgu eaten.